The 8-arch Midford Viaduct marks the end of double track as the single line section to Bath Junction commences here. The viaduct carried the line across the Bath-Frome Road, the Cambrook, the GWR Camerton branch and the Somersetshire Coal Canal, which the Bath extension superseded.
Between Bath and Midford it was single line. They would have liked to have doubled it, but because of Coombe Down Tunnel, which is just over a mile in length, that would have been too expensive to have doubled, and so they had single line working.
Consequently, Midford was one of the key signal boxes on the system. Although it's pretty sleepy here today, on summer weekends this was once one of the busiest sections on the entire line, with constant traffic from early in the morning until well into the evening. Trains were regularly backed up here as far as Wellow, while they waited for clearance to enter the single line section towards Bath.